The avocado, also known as the alligator pear, is a fruit native to Central and South America. It's believed that the first avocados were discovered in Mexico, in the region of what are now the states of Puebla and Veracruz. In ancient Mesoamerican civilizations such as the Aztecs and the Mayans, the avocado was an important part of religious ceremonies. The avocado was considered sacred and had symbolic meanings closely related to their religious beliefs. Among the Aztecs, the avocado was associated with the fertility god Xipa, who was believed to renew the earth and give new life to crops. The Aztecs offered human sacrifices to Xipa and used the avocado to decorate the god's statues and make offerings to him. The Maya also had a strong connection to the avocado. They believed that the avocado tree was a symbol of life and fertility. They believed that the avocado was a powerful food that gave life and strength to the body, mind and spirit. In addition to this religious use, the avocado was also used in other ceremonies such as weddings and coronations. The avocado was often used as a symbol of love and fertility and presented as a gift to the bride and groom. The oldest known avocado site, Coxcotlan Cave, was excavated in the Tehuacan Valley in Mexico, where remains of the avocado were found dating back to about 10,000 BC. This suggests that the avocado has been an important part of the human diet for thousands of years. Avocados were first introduced to Europe by Spanish explorers in the 16th century, but it wasn't until the 20th century that they were widely cultivated outside of the Americas. The avocado wasn't well received in Europe at first because it was considered an exotic and unfamiliar fruit. It was mainly grown in botanical gardens and by collectors. It wasn't until the late 19th century, when the fruit was cultivated in the Mediterranean region, especially in Spain, that the avocado gained popularity. The avocado was grown on a larger scale in Europe and some small commercial orchards were established in the region. However, the avocado wasn't yet consumed on a large scale, but was used mainly as an ornamental plant. In the 20th century, the avocado was widely grown and consumed outside of the Americas. Today, avocados are grown in many parts of the world, including Mexico, the United States, Chile, Peru, Spain, and Israel. With the rise of the global market, avocado production also increased in other countries such as South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and Kenya. Avocado isn't only a popular food, but also an important crop in the global agricultural industry. The demand for avocados has increased significantly in recent years due to factors such as population growth, urbanization, and changing consumer preferences. The avocado industry has grown rapidly in countries such as Mexico, the United States, Chile, Peru, and Spain. These countries have become major producers and exporters of avocados, with Mexico being the largest producer and exporter of avocados in the world. The Mexican avocado industry alone is worth billions of dollars and employs thousands of people. Israel, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and Kenya. These countries have also become major avocado producers and export them to other countries around the world. However, the avocado industry also faces some challenges, such as the spread of diseases and pests and increasing competition from other countries. To address these challenges, many avocado-producing countries have invested in research and development to improve the quality of their avocados and develop more efficient and sustainable production methods. The world's largest avocado-producing countries are Mexico, Indonesia and the Philippines. In the USA, the state of California is the largest avocado producer, followed by Florida. Over time, avocado has become a popular ingredient in many dishes around the world. Its creamy texture and rich flavor have made it a popular ingredient in salads, sandwiches and dips such as guacamole. Because of its high content of healthy fats and antioxidants, avocado oil is also a popular ingredient in cosmetics and skin care products.